Top 5 Best Moving Companies. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. International Van Lines. With over 3,000 partners worldwide, International Van Lines (IVL) acts as both a moving broker and a carrier. The company offers countless services, everything from lifting cranes to moving pianos to packing motorcycles. Your final bill will be broken down in a transparent manner by IVL. American Van Lines. American Van Lines services are generally provided by brokers or hybrids of brokers and carriers that subcontract your move to third parties. In contrast, AVL doesn't work like that. Whether it's shipping a vehicle, moving a house, or storing a vehicle, AVL staff is trained to take care of it all. Allied Van Lines. It maintains one of the world's largest long-distance moving networks as a full-service international mover. Furthermore, it provides stellar service as well as partnering with an abundance of agents to provide you with the services you need. North American Van Lines. North American Van Lines, a full-service mover with a history dating back to 1933, knows how to move your belongings in a safe and timely manner. Additionally, North American Van Lines boasts one of the largest fleets of local movers in the country. UPack. A moving and storage container company, UPack is different from the other companies listed on this list. Moving with UPack is like having a moving container delivered to your house and loading it yourself. Your reload cubes will be delivered by UPack, so you'll only have to unload them after they're delivered. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.